Hello, welcome to the session on Fillet Lap Joint on mild steel plate of 10 mm thickness in 3G vertical position. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to prepare and set the job in vertical position. Select electrode, current and polarity. Set short arc and tack weld. Deposit root and welding run. Clean and inspect the surface defects. The tools and equipment used for fillet lap joint are metal files, welding table, wire brush, chipping hammer, weld clamping, and shielded metal arc welding SMAW machine. Here is the procedure for fillet lap joint on mild steel plate of 10 mm thickness in 3G vertical position using shielded metal arc welding SMAW. The first step is to cut the plates as per the required size and prepare the square edges using metal filing. Next, the plates should be aligned in parallel to each other with one plate overlapping the other vertically. The lapping distance should be 25 mm. Then it should be clamped securely to hold the plates in place during welding. In 3G position, the welding is done vertically upward, which means that the joint is perpendicular to the ground. Ensure to wear proper personal protective equipment before starting the welding process. Now, tack weld the two plates. Ensure that the surfaces of the plates are parallel to each other and there is no gap between the plates after tacking. Clean the joint with the help of wire brush. Now, deposit the root run in short arc to improve the weld penetration. For this, select 3.15 mm diameter medium coated mild steel electrode and set 110 ampere current. After performing the root run, deslag with a chipping hammer and clean the joint with a wire brush. Then, inspect the weldment area visually to check whether the weld penetrations are proper. Now, deposit the intermediate run with short arc and weaving motion. For this, select 4 mm diameter medium coated mild steel electrode and set 150 to 160 ampere current. After performing the intermediate run, deslag with a chipping hammer and clean the joint with a wire brush. Finally, deposit the final run in weaving motion at uniform speed. For this, select 4 mm diameter medium coated mild steel electrode and set 150 to 160 ampere current. After performing the final run, remove the clamp and clean the weldment area with wire brush. After that, inspect the weldment area visually. Let's recap the key points discussed. Prepare the square edge of the two mild steel plates and place properly in the vertical position for the welding. Select a 3.15 mm diameter mild steel electrode and set 110 ampere current. Deposit the root run with short arc length and by a very slight weaving motion to the electrode. After the root run, perform the intermediate and final run with the same procedure as the root run. After each run, do the cleaning and inspect the weldment area. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you've gained a good understanding about the fillet lap joint on mild steel plate in 3G vertical position. See you in the next session.